Well, Jackie, we finally got out on the boat.
We did.
And due to our awesome neighbors right next door, it was a short walk to climb in their truck.
Yeah, Heather and Danny are awesome people that we're blessed to call friends, and we're also blessed to be able to go out on their boat with them. The plan was to head over to Con Brown Harbor in Aransas Pass, Texas, and then take a ride on the Aransas Channel all the way to Port Aransas.
Can't even hear it running.
You can't.
There's our captain, Captain Dan.
Captain Dan.
Yeah, well, here we are. Gonna go throw it on the dock, I guess. Is that what we're gonna do here?
Yeah, we're gonna go over here. That way we can tie up.
Just me and Captain Dan are going.
All right, have fun. We'll be at the bar.
Yeah.
Two-person operation. We got Danny pulling the boat out. Now Heather's going to take the truck and go park that.
All right, what do you want me to do? Anything?
Pretty much got it here. The wind's gonna do the job for me.
Gotcha. I can tell you that Danny probably should be a tour guide, Jackie, because he was amazing.
He really was. And then Heather was doing all the fact checking,
Right.
and it was awesome. So we felt like we really got to know a lot about the boating culture and the fishing culture and just Aransas Pass area in general.
What's this stuff in the bottom?
Those are weights. It helps it sink.
Rather than going to a bait store,
Catch your own bait. Cheaper.
nothing wrong with that.
Very eco-friendly.
Yep.
Oh, and that kind of fans out, doesn't it?
Yep.
Do you want me to get out of the way? Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Dan. Oh, that was a really good one.
You want it to open up
You got a big
like
ride.
that. Yeah. Then this is my controller right
And
here.
that's all you did. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
And now we're free.
Fancy.
When you're out on the boat, everybody waves to each other. But we noticed that we got all sorts of different kinds of waves, and we started to name them.
No, and that's the no wave.
California.
That's the cow. Yeah. Hey, wave. Yep.
Oh, then you
They're from
also have the
Texas.
drink, the drink lift.
The drink wave. Yes, that's even the better one. Those are all up here. Those are all the ibis. Those birds, you'll see them in the yards. I don't know if y'all have seen that before.
Yeah,
they'll
those
come in
white
our
ones?
yard with the big long beak, and they're
It's crazy.
And there's a couple of dolphins we see. They stay in the same area. One has like a dorsal, like injury, and then one has the nose.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get a herd,
Yes.
a school.
I don't even know what they call a dolphin. I don't think
I
know
think
if it's
herd
a
is
school.
good.
It's a
I think
herd of
We're in
dolphin.
Texas.
Yeah.
I think herd's the way
Yeah,
to go.
herd in Texas. Yep.
What did you say? A pod, a school, or a team?
Yeah, so a group of dolphins is called a pod.
If y'all are okay, let's get up on top, and we'll make our ways.
Hold your hat.
Yeah, just hold your hat.
Okay.
We'll make our ways up towards Port Aransas. And if I see any dolphins or anything, I'll go ahead and stop. And all right, y'all ready?
Couple drinks, not remember.
Okay, watch your hats.
There you go.
Wow. This thing's fast.
Yeah. Oh, here's some dolphin right here.
I'm shocked at how fast and smooth this thing is.
Yeah. Well, I was telling you last night, just that tri-tune makes a big difference. Alrighty, where'd y'all go? There they go, right over here in front of us to the left.
I'm not too worried. I don't think.
Putting on a show for us.
Beautiful.
There he goes. Yep.
Wow.
Saying hi, he's waving its tail.
There's three right there.
Oh, there they are. And y'all hear that, the blowhole, that
Yeah.
whenever they come up
Right
here.
Oh, here there's one that's
All
kind of
right.
chasing us.
Oh, look at that. Oh, right there.
Here we go.
They're like right here. Here's one right here, right underneath us.
There he is. Say hi.
There's three right there.
Yeah,
That's
it's
three
kind of like
right
a little
there.
family.
Are these houses?
These are houses, yeah. They're
And
private.
that's just a bait stand.
And these are bait stands where you can pull right up and get your own bait, buy your
Gotcha.
baits. And then down a little further where the big boat is and the catamaran,
Yeah.
that is a venue.
At that time.
Right.
And that's
Yep.
what they're banking on.
He had been at the crawfish cook-off all day. That would have been a cool video, the crawfish.
Give us a little high
Because there will
five.
be another
Yeah,
school of them,
there'll be
or
a lot at the
pod
ferry
team,
landing.
Right.
Whatever they're called.
Yeah.
By the ferries.
All right, if y'all are ready, we'll get going here.
All right, I better sit back though.
Watch your caps.
Let's do it.
Sit back here.
All
Yeah,
right.
this thing's smooth and fast. It's amazing.
Yeah.
I like it. I got him. I did indeed. And I got that too.
Forget about it.
That's a good name for
Yeah.
a boat. This is the Aransas Channel.
Everybody's heading in.
So they're sitting there fishing and they got a blue heron right next to him.
Oh, they're just waiting for some bait.
He is just popping there.
I don't know what happened to it. Oh, it's right there.
And what'd you get? Shrimp
I got the
Black
black
and
man.
shrimp.
And what'd you get?
The bayou cake.
And what'd you
Black
get?
and shrimp.
Black and shrimp.
Yep.
All right.
Looks
here we
amazing.
go.
It was a great day, definitely. We'll do it again.
Well, I got to say, we didn't drown. We are back. Danny did not hit anything. Heather, come here. We had fun. We had a little dinner, and it's what, 6:30, something like that. It's starting to cool down a little bit, but it was a great day on the water.
Yes, it was. Lots
We
of
had
fun.
so much fun. Number one, good company. Number two, great dinner. Honestly, y'all, if you come down here, you gotta get yourself out on a boat. I'm just saying. There you go.
Looks like other people are queuing up for a little launch here. That's launch, not lunch. I'm gonna be going with these dad jokes all day long, baby.
Well, since you got me started, what did the fish say when he ran into the concrete wall?
I do not know.
Damn.
Perfect.